Here's the start of my 37 Dodge pickup. As you can see, the guy before me actually started some body work, then it sat outside for a long time, and then here we go. I do have all the fenders, I do have the doors, I do not have any of the interior. I will be probably doing a street rod, so I will be changing the front suspension to an independent suspension instead of the straight axle. Because what I'm going to do, of course, first is I'm going to box that frame in and get it all ready to go. I'll pull the cab, running boards, and box off. But this is what I have. Just got it in here. I've had this truck since 1992, and it still hasn't changed. So it's been stored all over the place, but it's time that I start working on it. The box is clean, relatively clean. The bed is got some rust damage, but no holes. I do have a hole right here. I don't know what the heck happened there. Somebody punched it or something. I don't know what happened here, but that's an easy fix. Most of it's an easy fix. My tailgate's all beat up. It does not say Dodge. I'd rather have one that does say Dodge, and maybe I'll get one. But this is the project, and I wanted to start documenting it. I do have the gauges and Dodge emblem and the dash and all that, the window frame, everything. I won't go with the original gauges, but it'll represent original. I want the body to remain somewhat original. I'm not going to chop it or do anything like that. So I'm going to run the spare tire for now. I do have the grill and everything for it. I've accumulated those parts this year. It looks like I might need a glove box or that thing's rotted, but we'll see. I don't know if I'll be able to fix that or not, or put the time into it to fix it, I should say it that way. I had to torch one bolt out of the door. I couldn't get it out, so I will have to repair that. It's just metal. So I'm going to keep the drip rail. I'm going to keep, like I said, I'm going to keep the thing mostly original looking. I'll probably put a four bar suspension under the back because I'm going to go airbags, but I'm not going airbags because I want it to be lowered, although it will be lower. I'm going airbags because of ride quality. I want to get the best ride quality as I can. This is a light truck, and I want the best ride quality. And I know you can do that with coils too, so coilovers, I should say. But this is what I've got. Wanted to document it, so I knew where I started from. And like I said, I've got all the fenders, hood, everything's downstairs in my basement. And I'll be working on that stuff too through the winter. It gets cold here in Wisconsin in the winter, so I don't know how much of this I'll be working on this winter, but I'll try to do some of it on decent days. I can't say that I'll heat the garage because I don't have a heater, but at some point I might have that heater. So that's the truck. That's what I wanted to show, and off to the project.